This is the newly painted West Building in Golden View condo with 48 units in 6 floors. The party room overlooks the swimming pool that is shared by the 2 buildings of Golden View. Entrance to apartment 201 and living room with door to balcony. Wood floors in spacious living room and dining room. Open balcony with view of intracoastal waters. Intracoastal waters where one can view boats passing by. Master bedroom with windows on 2 sides of the corner room. Newly installed white blinds to filter the sunlight. Master bathroom has window with blinds and new cabinet under sink. Spacious walk-in closet in master bedroom. Corner second bedroom with windows on 2 sides of the room, covered with newly installed white blinds. Second bathroom with bathtub and window covered with newly installed white blinds. Kitchen with stove and oven, dishwasher, window above sink covered with blinds. Ample wood cabinets in kitchen with full-size refrigerator. Newly renovated lobby of Golden View West Building. Walk to the Hallandale beach across the street from Golden View condo and spend a day of leisure in paradise. Shopping on Hallandale Beach, Aventura Mall, and Bal Harbour shops. Move to South Florida and enjoy year-round resort living.